Realize now that we've left the parking lot, the vibe changes, bro. The flow changes. The goal is no longer efficiency when parking cars. Now we're trying to get people to walk slowly so that they can see your shop, so that the salesman or the waiter can greet them and be like, oh, is that a table for two? Oh, what type of fragrance are you looking for? Oh, we've got these new shoes. Do you want to check them out? You know what I'm saying? Now you get to the soft skills, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now it's important to be personable. Now it's important to have a good advertising team. Now it's important to have salesmen that know how to convert. You know what I'm saying?